Let's see. See if we're live. Maybe. Oh. There we go. Maybe. Oh. Alright. Hey, Ben. Let's mute that. Am I live on Twitch as well? Yes. This is the weakest whiteboard, yeah, fuck you. I erased all my shit from work, and I wrote the stuff for the AI stuff. But we got Git set up and working. We got folder structure set up. So I'll be getting the plugins set up. Got ArmA. Got everything we need. Oh. I'm gonna tweet this out. I'll tweet it out in like 30 seconds actually, because have you looked at Shane's AI plugin to see how he did friendly enemy? Yeah, I'll take a peek at it. I was gonna see if I could figure it out on my own first. Where's... hang on. I'm just looking for something to cover up my atrocious hair, but you know, whatever. Just deal with it. Oh, I got a notification. What's this? Ah, okay. By the there we are. I'll pop this into Discord as well. I have to put it in broadcasters, don't I? Flash mixer? How does that work? Do I just put my number? Dash mixer. That? No. How do I... yeah, I can figure this out. Yo, I can figure this out. Hang on, delete. One day. Nope, that's not how you do it. Alright, where's 0? Hey. Let's hope he responds. Ah, hey Kobe. Alright. Mods. We need to get Desolate. Oh, I think this is the one. Please, that one. Sure. Play. Redux doesn't have any dependencies on what? Cup, does it? I don't think it does. It shouldn't. Oh, let's see if this works. We'll do Malden. We'll use that to test. All right. Where's the cities on this map? Okay. All right. We'll use this city. Go here. So we need a player. Let's do you. Edit loadout. Load. We'll load that one. Okay. There's my character. Bam. So we're gonna have to come up with. We're gonna come up with loadouts. So, and how they're gonna spawn. I really should format the plugin, but I just want to kind of brainstorm ideas first. So, that's what we'll do. Did, what's his name get back to me? Yeah, he did. Send me a link and I'll post it. Yeah. Bam. Okay. So, zombies are... they're stored across all the different sides. So... they start with blue 4. I don't want the AI, like, seeing a zombie and being like, oh, shoot him! I guess I could just mark all the sides as friendly. Okay. We'll just use, I guess we'll just use a blue 4 for now. Yeah. So let's hop in here, delete this guy. What is that? B Soldier AF. I put it down. I do want AI shooting zombies, but I also don't. So it's, I want it initially to, they'll just ignore zombies, because they'll be in buildings. So it'll be like they're hiding from them. It's just easier to have them not fuck with zombies, because it's going to be a bitch. Cursor, target. Is that working? Yeah. Building pose 0. Okay, building pose 1. Building pose 100. Alright, building pose 2. Alright, let's write a script. What is this? Oh, that's my genetic algorithm. Okay, let's write a script to just pull all the building poses. So, positions equals empty array. Wow, true. Yep. Do. Building equals cursor target. Pose equals 0. I equals 5 plus 1. Pose equals building pose I. If pose is equal to 0, 0, 0, exit with, we have no more positions, otherwise positions, push back pose, and then system chat, str count positions. Run that. 9. That building has 9 positions. Okay. Player set pose positions select 0. I'm pretty sure it's a global position, but we'll find out. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, those are all the positions in this building. Ugh. Okay. So now let's do this. So for each positions, I know how to ArmA. I'm not currently looking up how to spawn a unit. That is not what I'm doing. Yep. Group equals create group blue 4. Group create unit Desolation AF X markers placement the number special none. You don't want to use form because it'll create the unit based on formation. That returns the unit. Unit equals. Set friend. Side set friend value. See also side relations. The enemy side used for renegades. Unit of this side is enemy to everyone. To become one, you need to attack members. Okay. I wonder if they'll just start shooting each other if I put them all in a group inside enemy. Or not. I guess we'll find out. Let me go in the back. Because I want them to spawn, I want to see them, but I don't want them to like start killing me right away. Whoops. That didn't work. Oh, this music is a little loud. Kind of hurting my ears. Okay. Why didn't that work? So I think there's a spawn position in that room there. I don't know. Create group. Let's take a peek. Create group. I'm doing create group side. Oh, they added a delete when empty function. That's awesome. Create group side enemy, and then we can just automatically delete it when it's empty. I don't have to manage that anymore. Jesus, thank God. System chat str unit. I guess that will do that. That'll tell me if it's broken or not. Null object, yep. Okay. Take a peek at side enemy. Use add rating. That does it to a specific rating. You can't do it to a group. So I figure you can't create a group to side enemy. So create group blue 4 side friendship set friend. Changing value during mission can cause unexpected errors in AI behavior. Intended to be used at mission start. Oh, whatever. I really could care less. Blue 4 set friend civilian 0 civilian set friend blue 4 0. Hello, sir? What? Man, he just fucking tanks bullets. Wow, they just soak up ammo. Oh. Who's the guy on the stairs? Are they even gonna shoot me? Question mark? Hello, sir? It's okay. Alright, well, they're not gonna shoot me. Okay. Restart. That's great. It's possible to make a side of a side hostile towards itself. It's only possible to do. Essentially creates a free-for-all deathmatch, which affects AI behavior as well. Setting civilian side to be the enemy of any side will result in the other side attacking inmate mission editor placed objects inanimate. Oh, that's so fucking dumb. Okay. Time to go look at Git. / AI system. How did Shane solve this problem? Server. Scripts. Init server. That is horrendous, but okay. Oh, why that hurts. That very much hurts. Spawn static AI for mission. He's just using side east. Unit group equals create group side east. I don't know if there's a special thing with east or not. Oh, they just started shooting each other. Oh my god. Write my name on the board, put your ass out while you do it. That's funny. Alright, well, apparently East just has no sense of what groups are. Maybe. Might just be this delete when empty function. Being dumb. Possibly. Let's find out. Yes, it is East. They just started lighting each other up. I don't understand. So, create unit in the group. Are you from the hood? No, I am not. Are you wearing a Ravens jersey? Yes, I am. Because I was too lazy to put on a different shirt. Just take off the Ravens jersey. I don't know. I'm kind of lazy. I'm not gonna go put another shirt on. I just don't understand. He's using side east. They should all shoot each other. Why aren't they shooting each other? I don't understand. Side east. It says what? East is friendly to east. Yes. Why are they shooting each other? It could be because I'm making a. I don't know. I'm making an O soldier and see what happens. Might be because I'm making a blue soldier, so the AI is just being dumb. Yeah, Ben. Yep, that's what it was. This is a uniform. Why are they all? They're all moving to formation. Oh my god. There they go. Off to formation, boys. Fucking. Yo, someone just shot your guy. I don't know who it was. What? Am I missing? How is that a thing? Oh, someone just shot him too. You didn't see it happen. This gun does no damage. I don't know why they're... Oh my god. Okay, well... I'm not putting them in their own groups. Do they have a general? Set combat mode. That's just deciding whether or not they're going to shoot or not. It's not deciding who they're going to shoot at. How can I... Do they really not have a setting in here to change? Like, this is the only... You can only change this? Alright, whatever. I'm taking that mission in it. East, set, friend, civilian, 0. Okay. Mike. Are you gonna shoot me now, boys? Hello? Well, that just... This is about the dumbest thing I've ever seen. get friend. East, get friend, civilian. Civilian, get friend, east. uh. Value smaller than 0.6 results in being an enemy. Why are they not recognizing me as an enemy? Civilian is enemy to east. East is enemy to civilian. Is friendly to civilian. Wait. I don't understand. You can arm civilians by inserting code like this. One-way hostility. Two-way hostility. You can't change the civilian... This is a clusterfuck. Why did we use civilians? Have they got ammo? Well, let's find out. That could be a great question. They should. Yeah, they do. Yep. Two-way hostility to civilians. One-way hostility. Using set captive command allows you to stop enemy units to fire on the target. You can reactivate hostility. Armed civilians will automatically shoot at anybody who's not friendly to resistance. Alternatively, you can make civilians hostile to other sides by using the set friend command. Civilians will not be attacked. You can make other sides hostiles to civilians by making the civilian renegade, but this will mean other civilians will attack the unit. Yeah, it's not a possibility. Causing civilians to change sides during a mission, blah blah blah. This is some... By default, no side will shoot on the civilian side, even when fired upon by them, same as captives. Soldier 1 can shoot an enemy, but the enemy will not return fire. You can reactivate hostility by canceling captive status. Armed civilians will automatically shoot at anybody who's not friendly to resistance. Or alternatively, you can make them hostile to other sides by using set friend. I just want to see if this works. Will cause sides to shoot civilian, but not civilians to shoot back. Let's try 1,000 and see if they shoot at me. I just want to see if this works. Now they'll shoot at me. If random 0.5 is greater than 0.5, then just fill the house with random amounts of AI. Let's see if I shoot one of them, if it'll The set friend command just doesn't work. What the fuck? Did I set that to negative 2000? Yeah, I did. Okay. Wait, I just did. Oh, I'm fucking retarded. Didn't spawn anyone. Oh, I didn't paste the new code, did I? Nope. There's a guy. Oh, he just lit me the fuck up, but I'm good. I want to see if the others come to hunt me or not. I may have to change their AI settings, but it doesn't look like they did. Oh shit. What the fuck? Got me. Ah. Okay. Mess with their AI settings now. I'll solve the AI not shooting civs later. Set behavior. I should be aware. And then we want to do combat mode. Set combat mode. Red. We'll do set skill array. Group. No, it's a unit. Unit set skill type. Aiming accuracy 0.25. Unit set skill aiming shake 0.5. Unit set skill aiming speed 0.35. I am working on creating a dynamic AI system for Redux there. Yeah, so let's go to the normal set skill as well, so I can tweak those values. There. Unit set skill 0.35, and then that'll tweak some things. That AI didn't spawn there. Oh, there's that guy there. Why didn't he shoot at me? What? That was a light. I just threw a light in the room with him. Oh my god. I'll have to breach. What the hell? Fucking ArmA. Are they not shooting at me? Question mark? Hello? Why aren't they shooting at me? Did I change something? Let's... Set behavior. See AI behavior. Aware. What? Aware danger. What? There's a different list on the command page than there is on the description page. Look at... No, you gotta look at this. Careless, safe, aware, combat, stealth. Stealth, danger, aware, safe, careless. Did they change combat to danger? I don't even know if there is a spawn point here. Whatever, I don't care. I'm gonna spawn him anyway. Combat. What was the warning on the bottom? I don't think there was one. I swear I just ran it. I might have been... Okay. Nope. There. Okay. Jesus. It might have said deprecated. I don't know. I'm gonna go take a peek. Which one was it? This one? Do not work correctly any longer. Units will not move to the given position. Why didn't he shoot at me? I'm a fucking... Hello? Shoot me. What is that aim? Jesus. You got me, bud. Just keep that aim up. Keep that aim up. You'll get me. None of these guys are shooting me. Oh, he just wasn't even dead. Hello? No one's in there. they all wiggle like a dog. Okay. This is a command, right? There is no ignore formation command. Okay. I don't even know why that guy shot me now. What? Okay. Set combat mode. Red. Fire at will, engage at will. Oh, I'm getting rid of the set skill stuff instead of this stuff. Let's see if they light me up. Yes. Okay. It's with their skill stuff. They don't have enough courage to fire their gun. Either that or my rating goes up as I kill them. We'll see. Did none of them spawn? Or did I just get like really unlucky? Oh. Why did... I wonder. He just magically starts shooting me right when I run the command again? What? My rating is changing. Negative fucking 5,000. It has to be less than negative 2,000. That's what it was. This is about the dumbest thing. AI spawning of building pose locations. Done. Shit, he put some rounds into me. Who's this guy up here? I thought he was shooting up here. Oh, hang on. Are they searching for me? Is this guy flanking me? No, they're dead. Oh, that guy came searching for me. Anyone around that corner? No. Maybe a guy in that room, but yeah, there's gonna be a guy in this room. Oh my god, open the damn door. Welcome to ArmA. What the hell? Okay. Jesus. So we got the AI spawning. We'll have to solve the issue with rating. We can set up their loadouts now. Turned Eden editor. Okay. We're using side east, so we're gonna need set up some loadouts. Hit loadout. Nice. Oh, they don't have a green hard hat. That sucks. I don't want to give them OP guns, you know? MP40. That's funny. I'll give him the Sten. Oh no, what is this? Oh. Okay. Let's give him the one land field. Get rid of this launcher. Change his backpack to I don't want to give him a carry-all. Kit bag maybe? Do we have a green one? Civilian assault pack. I think the Sten is gone in the next update. Alright. Let's give him the Alice pack. And the standard coyote. Okay, we'll give him the Alice pack. I don't like this uniform. Edit a VMO file, I have no idea. I don't like that vest either. I just don't like the idea of him having a vest, but then he looks just weak. From a leg strap. Looks terrible. I know what uniform I want to give him. I want to give him one of those, or do I want to give him one of these? Does he have like a bandage thing there? Just looks weird. Yeah, the VIP suit. Then the classic. Where is it? There we is. There we are. The classic. Give him 2 mags for. Yeah, we'll give him like those. Oh, nice. Now we can give him some good stuff. I want to kind of spawn the good stuff though randomly. Give him a zip tie though. I don't like that slash anymore. What just happened? Why'd it kick me out of that? Misc items. I don't want to give them facts. I want to give them some bandages. Where's the bandages? There it is, bandage. One of those. Give them some rations. What other food do we have? What are some cans of food? Instant coffee. Where's Ben's baked beans? Bag of rice. Where are Ben's baked beans? That's what I want. Give him a campfire item. Oh my lord. This guy later. Actually, alright, later. Let's give him. A can of tuna, I guess. Need some water. Where's the water bottles? Watering can. Oh, I probably won't fit. That's probably why it won't show me it. I don't know. We can see. No. Is it just not in this list? Huh. I'm designing one of the many different AI characters. I want to give him a bunch of base items and then throw in random items on top of what's already there. So by finding these AI and killing them, you know you'll get certain things. And then you'll have those times where you find something super rare and you're like, oh, that's nice. Guess I'll give him some duct tape too. Yeah, I don't think the water bottle's in here. Oh well. Okay. Save. Oh shit. This unit. Replace all. Let's just test to see if this unit loads in and that they react correctly. I wonder if that uniform's gonna flip their side and cause them not to want to do the right thing. Oh, we'll see. Why isn't he shooting me? Let's grab his backpack real quick. Throw that in there. Grab his gun. Let's move my uniform stuff in there. Grab his uniform. He had ammo. Why? This is a fucking... Why are they not killing me? What? They're probably seeing me as a civilian. How can I make civs kill civs again? This is about the dumbest thing. Below when rating gets below, the unit side switches to enemy and the unit is attacked by everyone. They just still get hit. They still shoot me. Negative 5,000. That hurts. DSR armband white, that's why. It is a linked item. That's why it is the armband. Hey man. What? He is an armband? Where's the armband? Am I blind? Oh, makeshift armband. Look at that. Thanks for the follow, man. This is frustrating. Let's see if they shoot me now. Hello? No? Player add rating negative 5,000. I don't... Stop moving. Where's this guy? You're not moving. Switching from side to Civ. He's still side Civ. Okay, well, that's great. Oh, this group stuff, and why the AI won't fire on me is such a bitch. Okay. This makes it literally impossible. We set them up. We set players up as civilians because it made fucking sense logically that everyone would be a civ. But as a code, from the code standpoint, that was the dumbest decision I think we ever fucking made. New update's looking good. I haven't played too big of a part in it. Razor's done a terrific job. We? Yes, we. Okay, Ben. My decision to set up them as civs was a terrible decision. Are you happy? Happy, Ben? This just doesn't make any sense. Two-way hostility. How can I make civs shoot each other? It's like they don't have a renegade feature. The unit is attacked by everyone. If the rating... Negative 1800. I should be getting shot at. This is about the dumbest thing I have ever seen. Causing a civilian unit to change sides during a mission by using join ground command and joining them to a living officer. What? Will cause a civilian to attack the other side, but the other side will not attack the civilian. This is so dumb. Yeah, I think you're right, Ben. I think I will have better luck doing that. This is... I want to fucking die. Okay. Ad rating. That guy's a civ. Otherwise he'd be shooting me. This is so dumb. Let's go look at CFG sides, if there even is one. The hell? No. CFG rolls, maybe? No. What mod is the system for? Desolation Redux? This is... Is there really no CFG sides? Of all the things in ArmA that you can mod, you can't mod sides. Teams? This is so dumb. Like, you can even modify the recoil pattern for any gun. This is so dumb. It's about the dumbest fucking thing. Factions are a subset of a given side. Examples are USMCRU and GUV. US vehicle driven by a Russian will change from west side to east side but remains part of the USMC faction. Use faction command on objects to determine it. You can set which side's resistance is friendly to in the mission editor. Check the intel box. Yeah, I know that. Everyone is friendly towards civilians. This means an armed civilian will be able to slaughter unfriendly AI troops with impunity. You can use set friend command to initialize at the initialization of a mission to set relations. It is even possible to make OP4 and Blue4 troops friendly and greet one another. The default way on how the engine determines friendliness, if set friend command is used, the relationship tables could be different. Set friend just doesn't work. Like, it's just broken. Wait. Oh, that's, nope, there it is. Like, it just doesn't work. Hey, Nick Tater. This is... This is dumb. Why can't I get civilians to shoot each other? This is about the dumbest thing. Like, the rating system blocks civilians from getting another civilian's cars, but it does not allow, even though it allows everyone else to shoot civilians, civilians just literally are not allowed to shoot civilians. Why is that a thing? It's like, if you're side civilian, the side enemy just doesn't apply to you. It's like, the fuck? And then uniforms change the unit side. That's about the dumbest thing I've ever fucking seen. That makes no goddamn sense. I'm gonna fucking have a heart attack. No, I'm not surprised. It fucking frustrates me. This so dumb. Basically ruins. I can't like use any of the Desolation uniforms because they're all set up for civilians. I wonder if any of these are set up for non-civilians. I doubt it. But we can see. It's the same thing as tax, but we'll see. This one's a combat, so maybe it'll be a different side. This is so dumb. I wonder if I even spawned them. I don't even know if I was looking at the building or not. Yeah, it did. Hello? Why are there? Yeah, don't just don't shoot me, because you're gonna be side civilian. And join silent doesn't work. Cursor target, join silent, side east. Yeah, it's side east. Blue 4. Oh, join string. Oops. Create group side or east. Oh, my cursor targets the house. What's the information thing again? This command makes no fucking sense. It's some fucking command ArmA implemented to give yourself information about a unit. And I never remember the command because it's the dumbest thing. It's nothing that you would imagine it to be. I don't even remember what it's called. Why? Give me the... Fucking... ArmA. This is so fucking dumb. If you can't tell, I'm already frustrated, and it's been an hour and 10 minutes. And I haven't even started the plugin. What the fuck is the damn command? Oh, I'm gonna have to read through every last one of these fucking commands. You guys can read through them with me. Start with the fucking B's, because I know it's not an A. Well, it might be an A. The short one, that's what I know. Fucking enemy stuff is so beyond dumb. It's like... makes me want to fucking die. Does anyone know what the command is? Reveal. It's like, what the fuck kind of command is that? So fucking dumb. And then it goes to 4. Like, what? Jesus. Player reveal unit 4. Right? I'm making a plugin, so I don't have the power to do a whole mod. And making copies of uniforms to go to a new faction is about the dumbest thing. The fact that I would even have to consider that is just wrong. And I know you're right, because that would be the easiest solution in ArmA. But that's just mind-numbingly fucking wrong. But yeah, I'm writing a plugin for Redux, so I don't have the power of a mod. All I have the power of is a scripting engine. So I have to somehow convince ArmA that someone wearing a civilian uniform is on a different side. Alright, now that I've revealed them, they're not loading on the map, but that's fine. What is this? Side cursor target. It says he's east. What? Raiding player. He should be shooting me. East set friend civilian 0. He just ran away from me. Hello, sir. Just gonna stand there? This is so dumb. I just want to fucking die. Okay. Set friend. Let's dive deeper into this command, I guess. Setting civilian side to be the enemy of it. Any other side will result in the other side attacking inanimate mission objects. Well, that's not true. It's possible to make a side hostile towards itself. It's only possible to do with essentially creates a free-for-all deathmatch. See side relations. That's about the dumbest thing. You can make other sides hostile to a civilian by making the civilian renegade, but this will only mean other civilians too will attack the unit. Run the code on the unit. Negative 10,000. Player add rating negative 10,001. It doesn't work. You could join multiple units of a different faction into one group, like the head unit as op-port and civs to his group so they shoot the player. Yeah, the problem with that is then they move out of their positions in the house to get into a formation outside the house, and I need them to stay in the house. How to make AI hold position. Run this on each, and this stops the squad leader from issuing commands. I can't change that. Okay, let's try that. We'll try grouping it, because it's a pain in the ass. Leader equals create group east, unit equals group, sorry, that should be leader. Unit, yeah. Should be group. Headache. Leader group. We need to slap them into a that, and then we need them to join the leader group afterwards. because that's what I read. And his position. Let's slap him at 0, 0, 0, because why the fuck not? Or they're giving units to stop without raid. The units stopped in this way will leave the group's formation. It will prevent them from moving around with their group while still being able to turn around or even move to a new position if they see fit. The units will still respond to orders from their group leader like engage, rearm, board a vehicle, but all their actions will be separate from the group formation. Resume group default behavior, use do follow. I just want to see if that works. Yeah. This is my last ditch attempt. I'm just gonna assume maybe the gun's just, yeah, it won't fire the specific gun. Thanks, man. Yeah, it's the specific gun that was the problem the whole time. Oh, I want to fucking die. Okay, well let's see if they'll fire any other fucking Redux guns. Why won't the AI fire my modded in guns? This is so dumb. Let's see if they'll fire something like load. Let's see if they'll fire something like I don't want to give him an OP gun. Whatever, we'll just... Let's just give him a pistol for now. Wow, that's nice. Game. Give him a clock. Cancel. Huh. Well, I just completely fucked up my developer pack. Whoops. There goes the developer pack. Fucking gone. Oh well. That pack was useless anyway. Oh, shit. Guy got a good shot on me. Alright, thanks, ArmA. Can I get out of this fucking fence? Thank you. Shit, why didn't... Alright, we're getting somewhere now. So besides the rating issue, just causing it to explode and not work, we're getting somewhere. I'm using the also trade, but I don't really care. I'll leave a random identity on them. Get rid of the chemlight, the fac. Get rid of the rangefinder. Map, compass, radio. We won't even give them a map. Did Twitch stream go down? Shouldn't have. No, Twitch stream's still up. Twitch stream's still up. I'm moving this a little bit. That's better. I like to shift like that. I keep moving off camera. Okay, now we make an assortment of AI loadouts. Yes, sir. This is what I am doing. One.sqf. Params underscore unit. I didn't pop a link into the A3 Discord. Someone else put the link in the A3 Discord? Works fine. Loading for me. So. My hair's a wreck though. This is an absolute horrid way of doing this. But I'm lazy. I'll fix it up later. We delete that. Init server. No. Let's do. Text documents. Then fill. Spawn AI.sqf. Params underscore building. Oh shit, this should store some data as well. I'm rich. Oh, thanks for the donation, my man. So, FN. We don't want to run client code. We want to set up a server. So, the way I'm going to go about doing this, I'm going to set it up very similar to how I did loot. So, the buildings are going to store variables, and that will be the units in them. So when servers start, it'll take all the buildings and it'll randomly pick buildings to slap AI into. And it'll slap AI into them. But instead of spawning the AI straight at the very beginning of the server and just basically ruining the server's performance, as a player comes down the road, AI will spawn in the houses they're supposed to. And I want to do what Escape from Tarkov did with scavs, where they actually talk. So I want there to be an audio, feedback. So as a player's running down, he'll hear them talking in the house, and he'll know they're in there hopefully before they get a chance to start shooting the player and just ruin the player's life. So I need to first get all the buildings. So let's just load on in real quick. There's a few ways to do it. I'm not sure which is going to be the best. What is going to be the most performant? I guess I could just follow the way that Redux set up their the way Redux does the loot. Desolation, Redux development, server files, add-ons, loot. Where is? Oh, I guess I should go in the Desolation plugin to find that. Server loot. Spawn loot. that spawns specific loot. We want to do loot manager. Oh, this does it live. So this will watch each player. That's actually probably a better way to do it. Spawn. Oh, this is already spawned. Alright, well. While true. Do. This will be our monitor thread. We'll just set up some variables up here, and then eventually we'll config them. So, spawn chance equals 0.05. So 5% of buildings will get AI thrown into them. Pose spawn chance equals 0.5, so half of the building positions will be populated. That'll give you 3 to 6 AI in a given building. Like this building here has 9 slots, so. Loadouts equals an empty array. 4_i from 1 to 1000. Or yeah, whatever. Do contents equals. I really don't want to do this. No, I'm not going to do this. I don't want to set up loadouts this way. Yeah, Nixon, I thought it was dead too. But here I am. So, I really don't want to set up loadouts each in their own specific script. But just being able to export something from a editor and slap it into a script and recompile the plugin is nice. But it's terrible code-wise. I guess for now I'll just make it static and people can figure out how to do it on their own. So we'll actually have them as variables, as functions. So for I from 1 to 1000 do var name equals dyai func underscore loadout plus stri. And then if is nil var name exit with, so that variable doesn't exist, loadouts push back mission namespace with variable var name comma, and then we want default code to, we want a default loadout in case an error happens here. Diag underscore log error loadout does not exist using default. This is also kind of insecure because you can just push a function to the server, and if you push a function to the server with its specific name, you could get code to execute on the server. Accept me on Steam. Which Steam did you add me on? You added my other Steam probably. That's fine. I'll add you when I switch back to my main. This is my ArmA Steam account. So we'll just set up a default loadout, which will be this. Note, this is the default loadout in case an error occurs. And then close these two. I'm gonna head back to, not that, this. fn loadout1.sqf, fn loadout2.sqf. Loadout3 will be as well. Code better. Oh, alright, Peter, will do. What is this? This is, ah, yes. Right, so we need to monitor all players. And then I actually should use a lot of the code that's in this monitoring system. Right? Because it has a bunch of checks in here that I can use. Getting near houses, houses that actually populate loot. What is that? Why is that a thing? Oh. Okay. Oh, you can actually register it. I forgot. There's the tick function stuff I need to register. I forgot how that function works. I forgot that was even a function. I could probably use that. Server. I don't even know where that function exists at. Maybe it's gonna be functions? No. Interface? No. I don't even know where that function is. That's a. Why is it DS? FN underscore register tick func. No items matchers. Okay, whatever. I don't care. I really do not care. I'll figure it out later. Basically, you scan all the players, you get the houses that are near them, blah 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 blah. Okay, copy paste. Is in vehicle, get the nearest houses. Oh, this gets the house they're standing on. No, we don't want this. This doesn't spawn loot till you actually get into a house. We don't want the AI spawn while you're there. So, there is also a nearest building here. Where do I do that? Nearest objects, all buildings, okay. Nearest objects. I don't know, let's just do something simple. Cursor target is kind of house. Kind of building. Now, is this a kind of building? This a kind of building? Okay, sure. I don't like doing it this way though. Whatever, we'll do it that way. Building. And we'll spawn them 50 is fine to test. So then we say, so we have the houses near that player. We can say, what is this doing? For each houses, oh, this just gets the nearest house. Yeah, we don't want that. For each houses, this is terrible. I don't like doing nested fors, but whatever. Spawn AA takes in the building. Okay, so underscore X call. Should I call it? Yeah, I don't want to just overload. Oh, I actually need a variable. Var val equals X get variable spawned AI false. If var val, yeah, if they haven't spawned AI, then X set variable spawned AI true. X call fn spawn AI. There's a bunch of cleanup I'm gonna have to do. I just want to get a testable version. So, oh, and this is not, this is DY AI func spawn AI. And we'll run this every 10 seconds. No. This player can run at 23 meters. An hour, blah, blah, blah. Change it to 5. We'll be good there. Player should not be able to close distance to the house before the AI spawn now. Well, actually, because this may take a lot of processing time. We'll do 3. Oh. Yeah, we also need to pass in all these other variables like loadouts, post spawn chance, and spawn chance. Oh. If random 1 is less than spawn chance, then only spawn AI if you fall within your spawn chance for the building. So this is chance of a building spawning AI, 5% default. Chance of a building pose spawning AI, 50% default. List of code containing set loadout functionality. Okay, that's fine. Fine enough, I guess. So we're passing in loadout pose chance. Right. Now we want to get all the building positions. So if we'll only include positions that fall within the pose chance in the initial process, I guess it really doesn't make a difference if I process it here, or here. It doesn't really make a difference, so. Okay, well the AI might not shoot players, but get a proof of concept going. Unit call select random loadouts. This should be an underscore. Select random loadouts. So this will select a random loadout. We set their skill. This should probably be variableized as well. But, I guess we'll AI base skill 0.25, AI aiming accuracy equals 0.25, AI aiming shake equals 0.5. I really want to turn all these variables into things people can tweak. AI aiming speed equals 0.25. There we are. Okay. So what'll happen is the server will start, it'll process all the loadouts, then it'll wait for players to come near houses, and it'll decide whether or not that house should spawn AI. Then if the house says okay, spawn AI, it'll then get all the positions if there are any. If there are some, then it'll say okay, let's find go ahead and try to spawn AI, roll the die multiple times, and all the players, all the AI should spawn with, that's my default code, whoops. Should give them all random loadouts, and then they should all act the same way they acted as I cleared this house. I want them to act, more realistic, so if you break in and you start shooting guys, everyone will come rushing at you to try to protect their friends. But for now, For now, I won't. I assume that's more of the AI's courage stat, which you can tweak. Open up that folder again. I think we're good. New config.cpp. Notepad++. We'll need to set up this config. Let's just grab a dumb config like jump. CFG patches, Dyn AI, class Dyn AI, Dyn AI, Dyn AI. Right, we need to set up a root dash Dyn AI is server. Class will be init server. Class loadouts. Class spawning. Spawning. Oh my god, I can type. Spawn AI. And we have loadout 1 through 3. Yeah. Loadout 1. 2, 3. This is DYAI. Dynamic AI Generation System. Okay. So I want to test this in Eden Editor. I should be able to run it in here. Have that test. I can't move my gun onto my back. Feels bad. I want to test it here and see if there's any bugs in the code, just script errors, because I don't want to be booting a server like, oh, here's a script error, oh, here's a script error. So, and it should be relatively easy to test. Close that, save that. So this is DYAI func spawn AI. Okay. Then we have this, which I need to remove all the comments from to actually have it work, but it's whatever. You can re-comment it later. DYAI func init server. And then let's just do one loadout. Loadout 1 equals loadout 1. Okay. Oh, and I should set spawn AI to system chat spawn. Yeah, let's do that. Spawn AI equals. Oh, and then I have to start init server. Spawn DYAI func init server. So as I travel, I actually should spawn myself a car. ArmA 3 assets. Vehicles. Let's just grab a civilian vehicle. Wow, I'm so glad. There we are. Create vehicle position player. Here's driver. Now we're just gonna drive around and see if shit works. Should see if the get variable and set variables are working. Cursor target get I guess I should keep is kind of building. Cursor target get variable spawned AI. Yeah, okay, so thread is ticking. Let me check my code. My logic's not wrong. Set the variable to true. Random 1, if that is less than our spawn chance, so less than 5%, then we pass off all the information. Okay. So, where do I need to head to like a big city? I guess we'll head down here. Shit. As you can see, I can't drive, but it's fine. Did ArmA like completely disable the mouse for driving? Because I don't have my double alt isn't changing it, which I'm not at all upset about. Just wondering. I head in the right direction. Yeah, it's over there. Trying not to die here. I'm very good at that. Alright, let's head over and trigger it on those houses over here. Fuck. Slowly but surely hurting myself. Did I just kill my... Fuck. I knew I should have given myself God. In my life. What's the biggest city on this map? I guess these two are pretty close. Play from here. Here, let me write these scripts up so I can just one-click execute it. Actually, fuck it. I'm restarting. I'm raising the spawn chance to fucking 50% to test. Teleport. That is a beautiful idea. I did not think of that. Shit, apparently a buttload of AI just spawned. Hello, sir. Okay. Player add rating negative 10,000. They'll shoot at me now. This is a little spooky. Gotta clear. Oh, all right. Hello. Are they not spawning with guns? They're not spawning with guns. Okay, they're not spawning with guns. I deleted their weapon spawn from their loadout. I didn't include it, I should say. Restart. I just ran it and none of these houses spawned any. Unless I got rid of the system chat? I don't think so. Did I undo? No. All I did was add this. Did I not run the... I ran it. Count all units. Look at that, they're not spawning now. Oh, random function's not broken. Just look who it is. That's right. Why did... No, it probably broke because I clicked restart and it doesn't kill scripts properly. Play from here. That's what I think happened, but we'll see. I also didn't add the gun into the... Oh, I did add it to there. Oop. Copy. It works good, man. Real good. Okay, get rid of all this shit. Am I launching with show script errors? I am. Why is it not processing now? It was literally just working. Let me remove those guns. And see if it processes then. No. What did I break? Alright, delete. Return to Eden editor. I may be just dumb. Hold on. Let's see if it was the gun that was breaking it. Because that wasn't a valid test, because it already flipped all those variables. Yep, I spawn now, and oh, that's some good FPS right there. What the fuck? What? Unit add weapon. I don't know. I don't know why adding a gun would prevent a unit from... prevent a random from triggering a spawn. Especially when I have show script errors on trying spawn. Yeah, look at that. Oh, here they go. Dead. And if I do player add rating, oh shit. Okay. Why is it spawning multiple at the same position though? Oh, what? No. Where's my spawning for this? Just make sure building pose doesn't have duplicates. Its position is X, and we're looping through each position. It could also be carryover. Variable carryover, but I don't think... No, I don't set any variables. So, it's not that. Get rid of these comment commands, because I don't really like them. Player set rating negative 10,000. Or can't do set rating. Add rating negative 10,000. Shit, he fucking banged me. It's still spawning multiple at the same position. Which is wrong, again. I don't know if the variable isn't flipping on the building and it's spawning it twice. Oh. No. Really didn't have to reload there. Shit. What the fuck? Okay. Grab the pack there. What the fuck? Okay. Jesus. These guys are ruthless. Oh, there's another guy up there. What is... Okay. Something is wrong with those variables. It is spawning those like you can't believe. If X get variable spawned AI false. If not varval, then spawn them. Why? Why is it spawning more than it should? Why is that breaking? Man, these guys are brutal. I love it. Okay. There could be a lot of reasons, to be honest. The most likely reason would be system chat spawning AI on house sent, yeah, plus str house or x. Those need to be in parentheses or it won't work properly. What? Why aren't you shooting at me? Oh, my rating has gone up. Yeah. That's why. Because killing these guys raises your rating. I don't have that code sorted. Why is... Now that guy's shooting at me. I don't understand. Oh shit. What the fuck? What the hell? Oh, I ran out of ammo. Hey, just miss me a few more times, thanks. I just... Why is it spawning like 51? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Spawn 9 of them. This building position pose 9 does not have that many building positions. So it has to be running multiple times on the building in order for that to happen. Which means this variable is not working properly. For each house, spawn equals an array. That'll verify. That'll verify what I think's happening is happening. That'll verify that my code is terrible. Error double spawn. Why is error double spawn? Oh, I'm an idiot. Give them grenades. Jesus. Give them grenades and a hatchet. There you go. That's all they need. Apparently they just like to group up. What the hell? Oh. Yeah. Why are there... Why did he just spawn? Why did more spawn here? This is astonishing. If X in spawn, so the house doesn't exist in the spawned array, and it's running the spawn function? Maybe building isn't... Let's try house. Maybe building is just giving me a bunch of dumb things that are giving me building positions. Eventually it should be a config with all the buildings that can spawn AI. But for now. Alright, this is... Why is it... This is fucking ruining me. Alright. You know what? This issue had to have occurred inside... Loot Manager. House. For each buildings to spawn. If nearest building type in all buildings. Alright. Check a bunch of variables. Astounding. I don't even know. I know what I'm gonna try. Where's my code? It's on this window. Well. do 3 buildings or 4, and it'll give me nice bin. Okay, I'll do 4. I have a headache. Now none of them are spawning. What the hell? Never mind, they are. Okay. Where? I don't even know where I was getting shot at from. Perfect. Oh my god. That landed a lot closer than I thought it did. Whoops. I don't think it's double spawning anymore, but you can see. I think the issue was just using the base type. Oh shit. Yeah, it's not double spawning anymore. Yeah, the issue is just using that base type. Oh, thanks, ArmA. Wow, only one of them spawned players? Huh. Okay. Well, I'm gonna offload the job of selecting all the buildings that can spawn units to script that'll dump it in a usable format. Because I'm not doing that by hand. Wow. What a building. Alright. So it's working now. Because I have a specific config for it. Okay, so we have to build a thing to scan. Oh, I wonder where building positions actually come from. CFG vehicles. What's one of these called? Land I. CDFGHI. I wonder if building positions is a lot. Oh, it probably is. Oh, let's just see if the command says anything. Building pose. Returns pose 0. The index is 0 base. The first position. Is func building positions. Oh. Is that a useful command? Oh, look at that. I don't actually have to do the scanning myself. I want to look into how that function works. Wait, oh my god. I'm overwriting the building variable. That was probably why it was multi-spawning. No other reason. Jesus. I'm dumb. Fuck. Ugh. Okay. Come on. There. Good song. Anyone in this building? Yes. Okay, there were multiple in that room. Okay, I'm still getting shot from somewhere. Shit. Panic shooting. We're good. Might be a guy around this corner. Oh. Yeah, you stay right there, bud. Thank you. You go. Oh. Should add a check for building positions to see if they're inside or not. So it only gives me inside positions. Jesus. That guy scared me. I didn't think there was two spawns in there. Okay, this is working. Now I just have to do a cleanup system. So... right. The monitor. This needs a return, so spawned AI equals underscore units. Okay. Can I do like a mass pushback? I don't think I can. Whatever. Oh, I should just return the groups. Underscore groups. I'll just run a check on the groups. Yeah. Say for each groups. One we want to say if, yeah, isn't it units group? So if count units x, yeah, units underscore x equals 0, delete group underscore x. And then we want to also say leader equals, I think it's just leader x, right? Yeah, leader object or group. It gives me the leader of the group. Right, so now we have the leader. We can say players equals if x is player underscore x. We want to do near entities. And then we're going to say count leader near entities. Type name man in, I don't know, say not 50, but we'll do 100. Then for each, oh, if this count, well, I didn't actually close the count off. So if this equals 0, then for each in units x, I really shouldn't process that twice, but I don't care. Delete vehicle. Is that the best way to get rid of a body? I'll just delete it. Delete vehicle underscore x. Yeah, we need to set a last spawn and stuff like that. So delete vehicle underscore x, and then we want to say delete group underscore x. Here. So we remove the units if no one's near them, and then we want to flip the building that they're related to. So I actually want to say unit set variable building. So then we can say underscore building equals leader get variable building comma obj null, not underscore building. And then if not is null building, then building set variable spawned AI false. Allow them to respawn. And then we want to say last spawn equals underscore x get variable. Ooh, and we'll need to look at again loot manager and see the last spawn times and how that worked. Spawn time, tag tick time. Does that tick up for me? Yes, it does. Okay. And it ticks up. Okay, it's in seconds, so spawned time 0. Or we'll do -1000. Or how many? I don't know. Let's say spawn delay in minutes. Let's say it's every 30 minutes AI spawn. AI can spawn back in. So 30 times 60 is in seconds, so spawn delay equals the spawn delay times 60, give us it in seconds. So we want to say except variable spawn time to diag tick time. Then we want to say so if this is false, then if alright, we need to do time. So last spawn equals oh, we already have the last spawn time. So we have last spawn, we know our current time, so if last spawn plus spawn delay is less than diag underscore tick time, then we want to spawn the AI. That'll rotate them every 30 minutes. Keep our groups in check, and keep our units despawning when they're not in range. And let's make this 100, and let's make this 75 actually. Here we are. Spawn range equals 75, and spawn despawn range equals 100. Spawn range, despawn range. I did 1,000 for that. Oh, negative 10,000. We're good. I really actually should do spawn delay times -1. So no matter what delay you put on it, it'll work. Oh, nice. For each group is a fucking failure. That's just wrong. That is so entirely wrong, it's not even funny. Pushback group. Restart. This is set back to house again, right? Building, no, house. Building. Okay. Fuck. How does this man manage to get me? I'm actually amazed. I might have been shot through the window, actually. Where do I do a random checks down here? Spawn time should be set. Oh. Hold on, let me just double check. Yeah. No, that should exist. Oh, I'm doing a get variable here, that's why. Is there a blacklist or list of buildings to not spawn within X distance of? Not yet. Like if you want buildings to not spawn AI ever, no, there's no blacklist. That wouldn't be hard to implement though. Stop fucking shooting me while I'm testing, thank you. Spawn time. Spawned AI. Yeah, it just wasn't updating. Hey! What the fuck? Oh, he's up in the window. He ruined me. Alright, that's working now. So I can take these. I can pass them on over. This is spawn AI. This is the monitoring thread for a net server. So it's getting late, but I'm going to pack this into an add-on, and I'll test it myself tomorrow, but I'm going to go ahead and put this up, so if someone wants to test it for me, they can. Remember to add DYNAI to the plugin list.cfg file.txt. I guess I'll throw that into here. Plugin. Yeah. Config new text document dynai.cfg. I haven't set up any of the CFG stuff either. Let's go ahead and commit that to page all. Oh, and let's go ahead and also new text document example.txt or example.sqf. Oh shit, did I just fucking close that? Oh. Well, that sucks. Well, looks like I'm not giving an example code. Oh, wait, I might be able to pull it from here real quick. Like if building is X distance away from stockade or player house, don't use it. I can implement that down the road for sure. Okay, save. Let's go ahead and run the code below in editor to see example. Note must use Desolation Redux. Note 2. I guess we don't need note. Save. Sage that as well. Initial plugin. What does it? So what does it do? What does it not do? Example format for AI loadout scripts. These could, in theory, be added to with expansion plugins. Server config is not set up. All configuration values are in the Note config's not a setup. All configuration values are in the SQF push commit. Okay. Now it should be on Git. Yep. DynAI example SQF. Okay. I wonder if you can just straight up download this. Oh yeah. Can you straight download this repository? Oh yeah, there's a download button. Okay. I'm gonna share that on the Discord. Alright, I put that on the Discord. Definitely an interesting idea. I honestly don't know if it'll work. I haven't tested. I have to test the plugin. Code works. I also want to offload this into a headless client as well, because offloading the AI along with zombies onto players, I don't like the idea of. But I don't want to force a headless client for this. So by default, it'll run on the server. But I want to go into the plugin system and add a new type of command function or command. Like you have init server, init client. I want to add an init headless client. So when a headless client connects, the server will push that init headless client to it, and the headless client will run it. So I can just rename this file to init headless client, and it's done. But for now, the server processes everything. Oh, motherfucker. I knew you'd fucking do that to me. Alright. There's a buttload of AIs. It's funny because that building could have spawned AIs as well. Shit, I already heard someone shooting towards me. I gotta bust into this house. Go around back. Oh! Okay, there's no one spawned over there. Move this way. Oh, there might be AI by the stairs. Oop. Oh shit! What the fuck? What the living fuck? Oh my god, and someone shot me from out there too. Oh, there's a fucking guy on the road out here. Oh, aim. Oh no. It's like a brawl out here, oh my god. Yo, I feel sorry for the man that gets unlucky and gets 3 building spawns where they spawn on balconies while he's driving down the road and gets lit up. Okay, someone's out there. What? Oh. still getting shot at from somewhere. Oh, up there. Okay. There's another guy in that window over there too. But we gotta book it. Oh, I got hit. Oh, no! Oh, no, he fucking dropped. Oh my god, that's insane. And their aim isn't like lasers, so they're not gonna murder you right on sight. You'll have a good chance against them. So, with the loadout stuff, right? I really want I want this to control more than just what the unit controls. I want their AI skill to be based on the gear they have too. So you see someone who's has a pistol and nothing else, you know, he's gonna be a terrible shot, not gonna be good at the game. But you see someone with an M4, that person's gonna be a god. And I want that to all be configurable for servers. But no, it should perform relatively well. The server will have issues spawning that many AI at 50%, but drop it to 5% like I originally wanted to, and you won't have issues. At least not until you hit massive numbers of players. Then you might have a few, but it won't be insane. Zombies are going to be more of the load on the server at 5% than anything. So, and those get offloaded to clients, so it's not that big a deal. But there's a few more things I want to do. I really don't want the AI to leave their house. I want them to feel, I don't know, I need to play around with AI settings. Anyone that's good with AI can probably do a better job than I ever will, but I want them to kind of feel like they have free roam over their house, and then if someone comes into their house, it's like someone broke into your own house, so you're gonna fucking murder them. So I don't want them running out in the street like they were there. I don't want them, like one person decides to go out into a city and they're chopping zombies with axes. All of a sudden these AI roll out with pistols and just fucking shoot them dead. Like what? That'd be super dumb. But that I want them to. So right now they're just like AI that populate a house, right? They're not gonna feel, at least in some buildings, they're not gonna feel like they belong there. They're gonna feel like AI that spawn there. So I want to take it farther and really create a, especially with, you know, specific maps. I think like on Cherno, right? The houses that the AI can spawn in really add some depth into them. So when AI do spawn in the house, they get like campfire in the house, or not a campfire, but you get my point. Like you populate the house with objects too. But these aren't going to be like missions. They're just going to be AI that are on the map along with zombies to make the map feel like it has more life to it. So it isn't just, so if there's 5 people on the server, it isn't just 5 people and then 1,000 zombies. It's 5 people, 1,000 zombies, and 20 AI that are near the players. So I don't know. I think it's interesting. But yeah, tomorrow I'll probably stream and test it on a server. I didn't get a Desolation server set up, so I'll have one set up tomorrow. Oh, and you can't, I'm sorry. No, you can't test it. I lied. I lied. You can't test it because AI won't shoot you, most likely. Until I can figure out the rating fix. AI are not gonna, oh, yeah, AI are not gonna shoot at players. And honestly, the most likely scenario is that it'll just be AI or blue 4 and players are op 4, or vice versa. That's switching Desolation over to that is the simplest solution to all of these hackish fixes we're gonna have to do to try to get civilians working. So yeah. With that, I'm gonna end the stream. There really isn't more to say. I'm gonna work on this AI system, but I don't have a whole lot of time. So if it doesn't get done by tomorrow, I probably won't be able to work on it again until the following weekend. And I'm not gonna take too much time out of my day tomorrow to work on it. I'll probably just do like an hour and a half stream of me just bug fixing it on the server. And I also want to figure out how that tick function works, because I want to implement it into the server tick instead of having its own thread. But yeah, I will see ya.